Here's a custom HVAC seismic bracing template our CAD Makers automation team has created. Catalog HVAC equipment is pretty easy to download from the internet, but the suspension and bracing of the units is often custom and therefore forgotten. Seismic can play a pretty significant impact on the sealing coordination, so we've created a custom template that automatically generates the unistret bracing details based on the HVAC unit and input geometry specs. We're unchecking an external selection preference inside of the settings to enable the HVAC unit to be used as an input to the tool. Then we'll query the 3DEXPERIENCE database for the template. Alternatively, we could have placed it in a catalog for even faster reuse. The template takes the ceiling plane of the underside of slab and the length, width, and height of the HVAC unit to generate the final detail. When the geometry is created, it actually creates a bill of materials for the struts, threaded rods, and bracing, as well as outputs points for the underside of slab that can be exported to a DXF or DWG for total station input. This has been a CAD Maker's custom developed tool. Please tune in to see more in the future. Thanks for watching.